Recently, I was told that I was gatekeeping a recipe to my spaghetti, so we're back with another episode of If I Die, You Want to Know How to Make It. So, these are all the ingredients that I use. Now, the sausage is a paid actor in this one because I only really use sausage when, it's like, I guess you could say I'm trying to do something special. Make sure you guys are washing your cans, okay? But this is just pretty self-explanatory. I feel like I have another video of this on my page already. Maybe I do, maybe I don't. But this sausage is boldly seasoned. So you know I season every layer. I season the vegetables, I season the meat, I season the sauce. So you just want to chop it up really good. You're making spaghetti, so you want it to be bite-sized. You don't want super huge chunks, okay? Bite-sized onion, bite-sized peppers, bite-sized meat, okay? You go right in with the crushed tomato. You go right in with the tomato sauce. And you go right in with the fire roasted tomatoes, just like that. And guess what? You're going to season it, okay? Season it very, very well. And you're going to just let this meat sauce cook for roughly about like 20 to 30 minutes on a low simmer, okay? I did add some garlic paste, and don't forget the spoonful of tomato paste. Now, this is my secret ingredient. Yes, you want about a pinch of sugar. And then you see that? About a drizzle of some sweet baby rice. Those are my two secret ingredients. That's all I use. That's all I do. And you see that? You let it cook. Don't forget to heavily salt your noodle water. And if you don't know when it's done, you just throw one on the cabinet. And see how it sticks? That's how you know your noodles are done. Okay? You combine the noodles and the sauce together. And typically, if you eat cheese in yours, this is where you would top it with cheese and put it in the oven. But per request, this is a no cheese spaghetti, and that is it, baby. You just can garlic bread.